Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Nest speaker software for improved audio syncing. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Google Nest speaker software for improved audio syncing, start by ensuring your speaker is powered on. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Google Nest speaker. Open the Google Home app on your device. You will see a list of devices connected to your Google account. Locate your Google Nest speaker in the device list. Tap on the speaker's name to access its settings. In the upper right corner, tap on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down to find the speaker settings section. Look for the software version option to check if an update is available. If an update is available, you will see a notification prompting you to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the software update. The update process may take a few minutes, so be patient during this time. Once the update is complete, your Google Nest speaker will restart automatically. After it restarts, it will be equipped with the latest features and improvements. Test your speaker to ensure the audio syncing has improved. If you experience any issues, repeat the process or check for further updates in the Google Home app. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience with your updated Google Nest speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.